Hi, I'm Romi Cortier, and we are here in Palm Springs, California, in a property I'm in the process of renovating. Yes, I am standing in a master bathroom shower. Why? Well, I wanted to share my design process with you. So, coming close, I want you to see what this bathroom looked like before we started. It was actually a green and white master shower that had a Japanese soaking tub in it. Now, it sounds great in concept, but it kind of had seen better days. There's the tub in the corner. Over here, you can see the old shower. It was pretty grimy and gross, right? So it took a crew of guys 3 days to jackhammer all the stuff out. There was concrete, there was rebar, and of course all the extra tile and stuff that was in there too. This was the next step in the process, which is rebuilding the shower enclosure itself. Drywall behind us, some 2x4s on the floor so that we can build this lip here that eventually will hold the glass for the shower doors. In design school, there's something we talk about which is called surface materials, and surface materials are what the person sees at the end of the project, right? Like this gorgeous taupe tile. Now I wanted it to feel sort of like marble, but at a fraction of the cost. So I got these 12 by 24 tiles and I had them installed. But the big thing that's really key in this design process is the grout. And if you don't know what grout is actually what goes in between the tiles to give you the finished product. So grout comes in over 20 different colors, at least on this color chart. There may be even more out there. But what I did to choose the right grout color for this tile was I actually took my little grout chart and I put it up against here. This was too light, this was a little too brown, this one was obviously too black, but this one right here, oyster gray, I loved. I loved it because it was kind of taupey like the tile. So the secret is choose a color that exists in the tile, especially if you want the line to disappear, which is what I wanted. So now that it's all done, you kind of look at this finished product and it just kind of flows real effortlessly, right? You don't see the line marks of the grout very strongly. So I'm super happy with how it has turned out at this point. And we're going to come back in a couple weeks once the glass is in and all the faucets and fixtures and also the new vanity. So I hope that little trick helped you when you come to pick out your own grout for your own tile renovation. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Romi Cortier and this is Artful Living.